Hello, this is John Piper with the Thursday video, and it's Thursday the 29th of August. We'll start with Bitcoin this morning because things have got a little bit clearer, thankfully. And we now have a break below this triangle here, suggesting that the count is now a little bit simpler from the peak with an A, an ABCB, then an A, a B, and a 1, 2, 3 in progress, a 4 and a 5 to come, and the C equals A formula at 8,200 looks pretty reasonable for the actual final low, although we have a range that we'll look at in a minute. In fact, so that does clarify things quite a lot, really. And you can this break is a little bit, it's quite small at the moment. We do a bit more than that just to confirm the picture. But the key thing at the moment really is this 5-wave form. Well, the beginnings of a 5-wave form. 1, 2, 3, with the 3 still in progress. But that's my preferred count. So another 1,000 points or so, and we should be in the ballpark for a very significant rally, as I've been saying for some time. Let's have a look at the larger pattern. Well, this is the daily chart from below in December. So we had this clear 5 rows up. We'll discuss this rather messy situation, but the key levels really are the 7,200 level, which is the 61.8% retracement, the 8,500 level, which is the 50%, the 8,200 just discussed, and there's another C equals A at 7,540, but basically the range is between 7,200, 8,500, as I've been saying for a while now. And this latest development suggests 8.2, which is sort of in the middle of that. So I would think within the next few weeks we should see some resolution to this pattern, which would be a relief. Looking at Ethereum, we have a similar conclusion really. We've got the 1, we discussed that before. The count's a little bit messy around here somewhere, but it seems to be 5 waves, but it is open to interpretation. We've then got the A, the B, and now the C coming in. But on Ethereum, the length of this wave here is such that if the C wave were to go as far and take us down below here, this is actually a log scale. Let me just adjust that actually to a... Right, this is an arithmetic scale, so you can see that this move is pretty substantial, and the same again will take us below the low. I mean, that could happen, of course. I'm not saying it's impossible, but that would obviously change the count, and this would not be a major low. So, I mean, the wave pattern here looks like a 1, 2, third coming in, 1, 2, 3. So we are at the acceleration phase. Have to see how that develops. I would think that we're going to hold the lows, but of course there are no guarantees in this business. Right. Well, I covered the Dow in some detail on Tuesday, I think, but basically we got the 1, and we're still in this range, so we keep bouncing off the levels, which I hope has been quite a useful guide to people. And we're now bouncing up towards the level up here, where we could see some termination, because we're now at the point where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5 to take us to there. So if this is a corrective diagonal or triangle of some description, then this is a key point around 26,400, where we could see a sharp reversal and another significant sell-off. As you know, I always consider the expiry day within a month to be critical, so that's about 3 weeks away from tomorrow. So what we might see is an initial reversal from here of no great substance. I mean, perhaps 5 waves down, taking us around maybe 2,005, maybe 1,000 points down or something, which is quite a lot, I suppose. Followed by a bounce. And then that would take us into expiry, and then maybe we're going to see some kind of a sharp reversal. I mean, that's hypothesizing a long way into the future. The key thing right now is whether we do in fact turn tail here. Obviously a breakthrough would change things. Alright, ditto on the DAX, no change here either. We're looking for we've seen the A, we've seen the B, and so the C was the expectation. And this, I think, will go higher here. So it may be a flat. I mean, obviously we have a flat correction here, with resistance around 11.8 or thereabouts. That would that would sort of match up with what we're seeing on the Dow. So reversal around this level here. and that level there is about 11,850 in fact. That may be a bit. I mean, on the Dow it looks like a third of a C wave, so it might well go a bit higher than that. Ditto FTSE, no change here either. It's doing just what we expected. A, B, now the C coming in. Same parameters really. This level here is around 7.2 thereabouts. But we could get a little bit higher. But on FTSE, there's still the gap there, which matches the sort of difference on the Dow, I think. So the question is, I mean, the breakthrough on the Dow would change things. A breakthrough on the FTSE and the DAX would not change things because it's just a simple ABC. Alright, gold, no change here either, in fact. We've basically got what I still think is 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. This could be of a slightly higher degree. I mean, it's possible that the wave 1 goes to here as it happens. This could be a bigger correction down to here or something, like 1480 perhaps. Wouldn't change the overall situation. We're still looking for a third to develop. So a very strong rally once the low is in, but it may need to shake out. There may be too many passengers on this particular move at the moment. I mean, there are a few stalwarts keeping the bear case alive, just in a big reversal at this point. I mean, as I said, anything is possible, but looks to me very positive on gold and silver and precious metals. So, although I think a sell-off would be quite healthy for the market, I think that the outcome will be that we're going to go a lot higher. In fact, silver may now be harmonising with gold since we've got this 1, 2, 5 part 3, triangular 4, and now this 5th. So here too, we look like we might need a significant decline. So I think perhaps that is the count here. This is 1 of 3. We've got 2 of 3 to come on gold as well, and then we're going to see 3 of 3, which would be the expected strong rally. So all looking good. Things are pretty much as I've been expecting, basically within a fairly broad parameter in some cases. I don't tend to focus on the shorter term too much. I think the larger terms are more important, but obviously we all have our own way of doing things. Anyway, I thought today, very financially useful. Back to report on the weekend. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.